Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about paying bills directly from your Vanguard Cash Plus account. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account designed to be an alternative to a traditional savings account. It offers features that allow you to manage your everyday cash, including paying bills. While the account doesn't come with a debit card or check writing capabilities, it does provide you with a routing and account number. This allows you to set up bill payments and other electronic transfers, just like you would with a traditional bank account. You can typically link your Vanguard Cash Plus account to external payees, like utility companies or credit card providers, using these numbers. However, it's important to note a few things. First, while it is designed for bill payments, it may not work with all third-party systems. Some users have reported issues with certain types of payments, such as those to government agencies or some payment apps like Zelle. Second, the account's bill pay functionality works from the available balance in the bank sweep portion of the account, not from money you've invested in money market funds within the account. You would need to transfer funds from those investments to the bank sweep balance before making a payment. In short, you can pay bills directly from your Vanguard Cash Plus account using the provided routing and account numbers. But it's always a good idea to test a small payment first to ensure compatibility with your specific biller. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.